Hi, I'm John Corlett, General Manager at Davis Chevrolet here in Claresholm, and we, like all of you, are navigating the storm that hit our community on August 11th. This was probably one of the most powerful storms we've seen here in Claresholm. Definitely the strongest one I've seen since I've been part of this community for the last 10 years. But we're here to make it easy. If you go to davisclaresholm.com and follow the links, it will make it simple for you. Our auto group has a team of professional paintless dent repair or PDR technicians, as well as multiple Fix Auto locations in southern Alberta to serve you. You know, as we navigate this process of inspecting our own fleet, we know there will be many vehicles that will be considered a total loss by your insurance company. We're seeing that here as well. If your insurance company has determined that your vehicle is going to be a total loss, let us help you with that as well. The Davis Auto Group has access to well over 1,000 new and 1,000 pre-owned vehicles should yours need to be replaced. You know, sometimes the darkest clouds do have a silver lining, and we will have some vehicles that are going to be discounted due to the damage. And together, we'll weather this storm as a community.